Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, you know I've been doing like getting on my crafts and things like that on, so I'm starting to do different projects. I got 3D printing, doing some laser cutting and other things, and so hydroponics, all these different things. So this one here, I got for my new, hopefully new soon, Cricut machine that I can do to, let's see what we got here. So let's check this out. It's like a little whole set of keychain stuff, and I'll show you here. This is a little neoprene things, and then there's the tassels and the clips. So let's check these out and see how it looks. So let's open this up. I'm guessing there's probably about 15 or 20 of those in here. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, maybe. I don't know. Can't remember. Let's see. So this is what it looks like for the little keychain thing. So that's how that looks. And then these are the tassels. Let's put one of those on. So my goal is to actually write something on here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this one, if it's just going to end up being sewn in or what, or just a label on it, but I don't know, just something fun to get. And then here we get a little tassels, and these little tassels are little, I don't know, little felt things you can see there. I don't know if it's focusing on it or not. Let's see. Can we focus? Maybe not, but you guys get the concept, and it's a little silver ball with that. It's like a little alien. Okay, and then we have these clips. I can't think of what these kind of clips are called. Are these like lobster clips or something? I don't know. You guys can tell me in the comments maybe what kind of clip this is called, or I'll Google it. I don't know. But one of these clips like this has the little, I don't know, that kind of clip, and then it's got that, so it should be able to go around onto the keychain like that, and could even put this on the keychain like this. Is it going to fit? Or am I just a moron? Here we go. Oh, look at that. That little hole does not fit the keychain. The keychain is too wide for that hole. So we are not able to put it on there. I guess I can just put it on this maybe. Go clip in there. Yeah. So it'll clip onto it like that. So that's kind of how it's going to have to be. Dogs are running crazy. Am I focused at all? I don't know. But okay, there we go. Now I'm focused back in again. Sorry if it was out of focus for any moment of time, but so this is what it looks like here. So that's the concept of it. So it's a whole, so you get the keychains, the little clips, and the little tassel. And I guess you can clip anything onto there you want. You could even have a different color for each person for different activities or things. You can put these around wine glasses or whatever if you really wanted to, or something. I don't know, whatever. To just label whose or whose, and everyone knows their color. But these are really cool. So I kind of like this little set here. It looks like it comes with 2 of each color probably. And I don't know what colors these all are, but you guys can take a look and try to figure them out yourself. But I'm going to say thumbs up for me. Very cool little set and pretty inexpensive. So that's it. So links in the description so you guys can pick them up for yourselves. I can't remember what brand it is, but like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.